जी नाज़रीन, बिल्कुल आज पाकिस्तान और जो है वो नीदरलैंड का क्रिकेट मैच हुआ जिसमें पाकिस्तान अपना जो है वो कामयाबी के साथ जीत गया। मेरे साथ आज मौजूद है यहाँ डंडी स्कॉटलैंड में वो शख्सियत जो कि आज पूरा मैच देख के आई हैं और क्रिकेट को बड़ा पसंद करती हैं। जब उनसे बात की गई तो उन्होंने मुझे सरप्राइज़ कर दिया कि वो क्रिकेट को पसंद भी करते हैं और बड़े गौर से देखते भी हैं। इनका नाम है स्टुअर्ट यंग। यस स्टुअर्ट यंग, did you watch Pakistan cricket match today?
I did. It was an excellent game of cricket, and I think wholeheartedly that Pakistan deserved to beat the Dutch today.
So do you watch all the cricket match?
All the cricket matches, I either watch it in the house on Sky or I watch it in my local bar. Sorry.
So who's your favourite cricket team, by the way?
Other than Scotland, has got to be New Zealand. I like their technical ability. I just like the players themselves, and so that would be the team I would shout for in the World Cup. But I do have a soft spot for Pakistan. They went through a rough patch last couple of years, but I do think that they've got a good team with good characters in it, and the technical ability is second to none.
How do you think, Scots people mostly like the football and rugby, and when they talk about the cricket, how do you see that?
In Scotland, football is a religion for Scotland, and people who follow football enjoy it. But from a cricket point of view and a cricket fan, it's more, I would suggest, more of an educated point of view would follow cricket. And so hence I've followed cricket since I was a boy.
Do you think so? The Pakistan have more chances to win the World Cup 2023?
I think they've got a good chance in the way they played today. There was a good team spirit. They built up a good momentum, and I think they've got a lot of good individual players but work as a team.
If there is a cricket match between Pakistan and England, what team would you support?
No question, it would have to be Pakistan. As a true Scotsman, yeah, definitely Pakistan.
Who's your top favourite team overall?
For cricket?
For the cricket.
I do have a very, very soft spot for Pakistan over the years because of their technical ability, and also the passion of the fans is unbelievable, second to none I would suggest. So I would say Pakistan's a second favourite to New Zealand. I hope you don't mind me saying that.
Do you think so in Scotland we need to promote cricket?
No, definitely. I think it's especially T20 one-day internationals, because it allows the fans to get involved in the cricket, whereas the 5-day test is a longer process, like a game of chess. So I think if you're wanting more involvement from the fans, I would suggest one-day international would be a big benefit, especially in Scotland, who are well known for fans being passionate.
And you are going to watch all the cricket match either in the pub or in the house?
No question. If I'm allowed to, yes.
Yes, so you will enjoy it.
Yes.
Enjoy your rest of the cricket match. Thank you. Thank you, Stuart Young.